Place the laser head horizontally. Remove the locking screws from bottom to top. Remove the head cap. Remove the nozzle component. Remove the cover slide component. As shown in figure in below, use a lens taking tool to remove the focus lens holder. Put the foking lens and the spring pressure washer in the lens holder carefully and tighten the pressure washer properly. Spin the focus lens holder baked to focus lens barrel and tighten it. Reassemble and lock the screws. Check if the focus position is at the center of nozzle. If not, you will need to reset the operation.